Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. Yeah, pretty good price action there at the moment. Pretty much going according to script. I haven't done an update yesterday because I was busy. However, I've just opened the chart and I didn't have to move anything. So just put that into place here. But basically it's just following the script I outlined in the last video. Let's just talk about that structure again. I described it in detail in the last video. My preferred interpretation here on this chart is wave 1 to the upside, to the downside from the October high, this October swing high. On the continuous contract chart here, we had the low then at around 227. That was in December 2023. Wave 2 rally to round about $3.40. Here around January this year, and then this is now where the third wave then started, and we are dealing not with an impulse, but most likely with a diagonal structure here in this third wave, basically. Yeah. So the idea is a wave. I mean, not just the third wave is diagonal. They all of this was the start of the diagonal. This would be the end, and each of the subwaves are A, B, C structures, A, B, C, wave 4 as well, and then A, B, C in wave 5. And therefore we're tracking an A, B, C structure in wave 3 as well. But I just see that the third wave sits in the wrong location there it needs to be. Yeah, and then that means we might now be in the process of completing wave 5 of C of 3. And we could then still get another corrective rally in wave 4 and then one more low in wave 5. This is a change to what we talked about a few weeks ago, that I said that possibly one more low could complete everything, which I still think it could, but it would only be the alternative. In the preferred scenario, looking at this chart in detail, looking at the bigger picture, looking also at the shallow rally now, and it just would look better with another 4-5. I know it's frustrating, and that 4 could again be frustrating. It might take, I mean, yeah, looking at the length of the wave 2, it might take a month or so for this wave 4 then to play out. And I will give you a resistance area once we have a low established in that third wave. Yeah, and basically we had down here expected a rally because the wave count was full. Okay, the wave count indeed was full. It was completely, what can I say? It was full. I think extensions are always possible, but it was complete even on the smallest time frames. I could not add more numbers to that third wave. And if you watched previous videos, then you know that. Therefore, a recovery was likely. I gave you the resistance area. The first resistance level was reached, which is the $1.77 level, the 23.6 fib. Nice reaction, and we might indeed be coming down now in wave 5. Two possibilities here on the smaller time frame. Looks to me as if this fourth wave is in now. Seems unstoppable to the downside, but it is technically possible that this fourth wave, because it was very shallow, will extend a little bit. So until we really break below the third wave low at $1.52, it is possible that this is an A, B, C in wave 4. And then the wave 5 happens later. Yeah, but then it would literally need to turn around now. And we can add a support area for that. Yeah, it would, honestly, to keep that a likely option or a plausible scenario, we need to see a turnaround before breaking below 157. And yeah, from there then, I mean, if that happens, okay, you know, then it might test, for example, 195 or even $2.10. But until then, the trend is down. So against this last swing high that was formed on Wednesday, I'm looking for lower prices. The question is now, okay, where could that wave 5 complete? So first of all, it might test the lower boundary line of the trend channel. That's one idea. Another way of calculating it might be to take the length of waves 1 through 3. Then we go to the high of the wave 4. And then we're looking at 2 fib levels. the 38.2 and the 61.8 extension level. So here, $1.40 is the next one. $1.40, that seems to be one level to watch. It's not super reliable. I mean, another way of looking at it is to take the length of wave A. We go to the high of B, but that is already extended. That might point towards 133 next. Or actually, let me just use the 1.618 extension level. Just looking if there are areas for confluence. I mean, this points to 144, 144, 140. And then there's one other way of measuring, which is the larger degree. Yeah. Taking the length of the larger wave 1, and we go to the larger wave 2. Next fib level here. Well, so remember the 140 level, but you see that this reacted to the 1.618. So it seems like if we make one more low, it might react there again, or one step lower on the fib ladder, which is the 1.786 extension here. So that points towards $1.41. So there seems to be a bit of confluence between 140 and 144. And with the 141 level there as well as additional level to watch. I think this is what we should watch next. I don't think there's much more to add. After that next low, when established, I can give you a resistance area for this wave 4, and then we can ideally just get one more low and that's it. It even looks now like we get closer to $1, but we'll see. I mean, maybe, and that would be my alternative, the low will be in here, but until I see a break above resistance, I'm going to go with the trend. That's my update about Natgas. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. And also, in case you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.